Today I will show you step-by-step guide on how to push your project folder to GitHub. Let's get into it. Okay, firstly, I will go to my Git bash. This is my Git bash. Clear, clear. Okay, this is my Git bash. I'll first move into the folder that I want to push to GitHub. I'll do cd css tutorial. Okay, so I'm inside the folder. This is the folder that I want to push to GitHub. Okay, so let's check out the folder and see what's inside the folder. This is the folder I want to put. We have two files inside: the index.html file and style.css file. So this is the folder. Okay, so let's have a look at what the file is about. So this is what we have inside the folder. This is our browser page. Okay, so now we'll go back to our. So we're going back to our git bash. Okay, so now for us to start our this, we need to initialize git for this folder. So git init to initialize git, so we can use git commands in this folder. Okay, git init, it has been initialized. Okay, so now we have master. So now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to go and set up our git repository. Okay, we'll move on to GitHub. Okay, to set up our git repository. So this is our git repository. So we're going to do we're going to call it css tutorial. Okay, I think that will be the name of our listening. So we'll create it. Okay, now we've created it. So now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to copy this link because this is the link that we'll use to connect to our git. Okay, we'll copy the link, we'll move back to our git bash. Okay, now we're inside our git bash, so we're going to add it. So git remote add origin. So origin is our repository, so we're going to paste the link here, the link to our repository. Okay, here git add. Okay, so now we're going to confirm if it's added. Git remote -v, which is the version. Yes, so now we have it here. So we have our origin here. So moving forward, so the next thing we are going to do is we are going to add going to do git status to see what we have inside the folder. So we have the index.html file and the style.css file. Okay, now we're going to add it. Git add space dot. You can add them individually. You can say git add index.html. To add this separately, you check the git status again to see if it's added. Okay, so it's added, it's showing green now. So the red one, the css file is not yet added, so we'll add css file individually. But if you want to add everything all at once, just type git add space dot to add everything. That dot means command, add everything. Okay, so now you're going to add all the files inside the folder. Git status, let's see the status of our folder. Yeah, all of them are now added. So now what we're going to do now, we're going to commit our changes. Okay, git commit -m, which is message. So we'll type in our message inside this quotation box, quotation space. So we'll say first commit. Anything can be, you can write anything as the comment. You just made a comment of your changes, the changes that you committed in this folder. You just apply the comment here so that your collaborators will understand what you did, how you committed, what's the essence of this commit. That's the major reason. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, we've committed our files. Okay, so we are now going to do git push -u origin master. Okay, because we are sending it to master branch, so we're sending origin, which is our git repository, and inside our git repository is the master branch that we're putting inside. Okay, so we hit enter. So it's pushing to GitHub, so it's now successfully sent to GitHub. So now we are going to move back to our GitHub. Then this is our GitHub, so we refresh it to see if it came up here. Sure, boom, we have it here. So this is our files. We have our files here. So thank you for watching. If you have any challenge doing this, please reach out to us in our comment section. I would love to reply you, respond to your challenge. Okay, please like, subscribe, and share this video.